maintenance kit for any type of bait casters or spinning reels here. This one's from the company KastKing, and I'm just going to show you everything you get with it. Your little microfiber cloth right here. This right here is your reel grease, so it'll go inside where the gears are. And then right here is a needle point oil. This is very handy. You guys see how small that little needle point is? I will use each one of these. This right here is just a type of cleaning solution. Then you get this little carbon fiber kind of like wrench right here, and that's everything that's in there. And the way this works is, so I've got my lethal blaze right here. First off, we'll do some oiling. So you see down inside of here, I got a couple of drops. You don't have to put a lot on this, one drop there. I love this needle point of getting down in there. Here we go, we can get down in this area here. This right here is probably my favorite thing of this whole reel. Now this grease right here, let me show you what the grease kind of looks like. It's got this white kind of like grease lithium look to it. Now what it's going to go to, it's going to go to your gears inside of here. Turn this down. This one's very easy to disassemble. So I want to put some grease in here on these bearings, just like this. I'd put a little grease down in there. I don't have to put a lot, just right there. I can even put a little oil down in there. Bam, just like that. Same way with that. I'm not going to pull my spool out and all that. All I'm doing is oiling up the inside of a lot of this area right there. Now those are the magnets, so you can kind of see the magnets in there. And then just like this, put that back on there. Very simple. KastKing makes it easy to oil these. These are like little drainage ports, but a lot of times I'll squirt some oil in there too, just like that. So very nice. And then around this ring, more oil. So I'll put a little grease in there. This area right here I like to keep oiled up too. It gives it a smoother action back and forth. Then you'll shake up the spray a little bit. A little outside right there. And just kind of wipe this off. Very nice little spray container. It looks like it's 2 ounces of cleaning solution right there. This wrench right here goes, you can see these bolts. See how there's like these nuts and bolts right here. So I can put a turn on this if I need to turn it. But it'd be an easy kind of little wrench for getting inside your reels right there. Yeah, so I'm not going to use the wrench right now on this little guy, but I think this is a great kit for anyone that just needs to have a small little kind of cleaning kit. A lot of times I don't fish a lot in the wintertime, but around about maybe October, November here in the Southeast, I go ahead and I do a quick cleaning on all my reels. Or if I've been out in saltwater, I kind of do a good cleaning on them anyway, just to keep them maintained and pretty much in great working order. But I don't see any issues with this little kit at all. I think this is a great little maintenance kit for someone. I recommend this if you've got several reels where you need to clean them, or you just got one and you need to clean the thing. This is something I recommend for you. I think everybody needs to do a little maintenance on their reels, because you kind of neglect them and you don't think about them much until they stop working. Then you're wondering why they don't work. You haven't put oil on it in 5 years. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the KastKing ReelTune maintenance kit. See you all in the next video.